In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share item in American Eagle. If you want to quickly send a product you love to a friend or save it for later, the website makes it straightforward. We'll start on the official American Eagle site. Open your web browser and go to the home page. You'll land on the main dashboard, which is the front page that shows new arrivals, promotions, and featured categories. From here, look to the top menu. You'll want to choose a section first so you're browsing the right part of the store. For example, click on Women. This opens the Women's section. Next, select a category within that section. Think tops, jeans, shorts, or whatever you're shopping for. Choosing a category narrows the results so you can find the exact type of item you want. Once your category page loads, browse through the items until something catches your eye. You can scroll at your own pace and, if you like, use filters such as size, color, or price to help surface the best match. When you spot an item you like, click on it to open the product page. Inside the product page, take a moment to confirm the details, like available sizes, colors, and photos. When you're ready to share, scroll down the page until you find the share option. Depending on your screen size, this may appear beneath the description or near the purchase buttons, so keep scrolling until you see it. Click share. You'll see a couple of simple ways to pass the item along. First, you can click Copy Link. This copies a direct link to the product to your clipboard. From there, paste it into a text message, a chat, or an email, whatever you prefer. It's the fastest way to share across different apps. Alternatively, you can click Email. Selecting Email opens your default email app or email service with the product link ready to go. Give it a second to load, add your recipient, include any notes you want, and send. If it doesn't open right away, make sure your browser is allowed to open email links and that any pop-up blockers aren't interfering. That's the entire process. Head to the American Eagle site, use the top menu to pick a section and category, choose an item you like, open its page, scroll to find share, and then either copy the link or send it via email. Now you can quickly show someone exactly what you're looking at, compare options, or save the link for later shopping.